Hi guys, in this video we'll try to understand what is model inference. So I think you already know what is model inference because previously I already showed you how we can work with the large language model. Let's say here we have a LLM, okay, LLM. So first of all, we just try to use the LLM. Either you can like download it from the Hugging Face. Either you can use this LLM with the help of API request. Let's say if I'm using OpenAI, so OpenAI has one API key. With the help of that, we can access this model. So what is the inference? So inference means, let's say here you are giving a let's say input, and here you are getting a output. Okay, this is called model inference. So I think you remember we did one fine tuning, let's say, demo. So there I showed you how we can fine tune llama 2 model. Okay, so after fine tuning, what I did, I just push this model to the Hugging Face hub. Okay, Hugging Face hub. Hub. So from the hub itself, again, I just downloaded the model. Okay, in my Google Colab, and there I did the inference operation. Okay, inference operation. So that's how actually guys we do the model inference. That means here after training, or let's say if any model is available, you are calling the model, you are giving the questions, and you are getting the response from the model. Okay, this is called model inferencing. Now here you can either use API key to access the model. Either I showed you how we can get the model from the Hugging Face hub, or there is another alternative way I'm going to show you. This is the free one. So here you don't need to pay. So there is a platform called Grock. So from there also you can access the model. Okay, and again this is another LLMops platform you can talk about because it provides the API, because the model is already hosted there. Okay, you don't need to worry about the like model download and all. Okay, only you just need to create one API key, and with the help of the API key we'll be able to access the model. Now let me show you how we can use this Grock API to access different model. So guys, just search for Grock Playground and make sure you have to create one account here. So I already have the account. Let me log in. Okay, so I already logged in with my account, and this is the playground, guys. So you can see the interface is I mean similar kinds of chat GPT. So here you can send different messages, and you can also give the system prompt if you want, and here you can select different model, and all the latest model is also available, like llama recently published llama 4 model. It is also available. Then you can see Gemma model is there. Then from Alibaba, this QWQ model is also there. DeepSeek is there. Then from Grok, this compound beta. Okay, so Grok has also published some model you can also use. Then Mistral, OpenAI has Whisper model, Play AI, okay, and SDAIA. Okay, so I don't know, but again there is another model. So recently they have let's say updated lots of model, okay, in their platform. Now we can access these are the model with the help of API request. So here you can also send the message from this web interface. Let's say if I give hello, I will submit. See, it will give you the response. Even you can also upload the image, okay, if you want. Then let me show you the studio. So here is the studio, guys. So in studio, what happens, let's say you can give the message like that. Okay, even you can create a new message, and right hand side you can see the response. Okay, even you can also change the temperature parameter, max token parameter. Okay, these are the thing you can change. Now let me show you how we can access this model, okay, with the help of API request. For this you have to create API key. So there is an option called API key. Just click here. Now here you can create a API key. So previously I created some API key, so let me delete some of the API key here. Then I'll create a new one. So here let's create a API key. I'll give the name, let's say demo. So this is my API key. I'll copy. Now here I already have one code snippet. So first of all, let me add the API key in the environment variable. So what I will do, I'll open up my .env file. So here you can see I have my Grok API. Okay, and these are things you can ignore as of now because I already showed you previously how to use the line graph and all. Okay, so I'm using that particular file only. So here we'll try to change the Grok API key only. Okay, make sure you are updating your API key, guys. Okay, and this was my open API key. This is not required. So this is the alternative way, guys. If you want to use the model with the help of API request, and again, all the model are hosted there. You don't need to worry about everything. So here you will be getting the quick response. And if you are using low configuration machine also, it's completely fine. Now, once it is done, just try to select your environment. Then let's execute the code. So it will load the credential from the environment. Now here you can see I'm importing this Grock from the langchain underscore Grock. So for this you have to install langchain Grock. So here you can see this particular package you have to install. So I already installed pip install langchain Grock. If you do, it will install that. Now you can see I'm importing chat Grock, and inside chat Grock I'm passing the model. So here I'm using LLaMA 3 70 billion model. So here I think this model is available. If I go to the playground, LLaMA 3 70 billion model. So this model I think I'm using. Okay, this was the model. Okay, so now let me show you how we can access. So if I execute now, again you can load another model. So here I'm also loading Mistral model. So Mistral also has some model. Okay, you can load it. So let me also load the Mistral model. Then here I have the prompt. Let's say I'm giving the system prompt first of all, because this is the chat completion model. You are an historian expert in the Kennedy family. I think you know about Kennedy. So Kennedy is a politician maybe. Yeah, so you can see president. Okay, so here's the president. So here I'm asking the question regarding him. So here this is my prompt. How many members of the family died tragically? So if I execute, so now let's say if I invoke the operations, okay, it is giving you an error. Invalid API key. Okay, it is telling invalid API key. Let me do one thing. Let me restart everything, because I already just created the API key, so it should work maybe. Okay, so now it has done, because previously what I did, I changed the API key, but I didn't restart the kernel. So sometimes it happens if you're using the Jupyter notebook. Now this is the response. So here I'm using LLaMA model, guys. You can see I'm using LLaMA model, and from the LLaMA model, this is the response I'm getting. So that means here we are doing the inference operation with the model. Now let's try with the Mistral model as well. So here bad request, again the model Mistral has been okay. So this model is deleted from the playground. So what you can do, you can use any other model. Let's say let's use this one, DeepSeek R1, this model. So for this is the, you just copy this ID. Okay, copy this ID, and here you just try to paste it. This ID you need, okay, to access the model. Now let's say this is our DeepSeek model. Now let's see. Okay, now it's working. Now if I show the response, okay, so it doesn't have any content. Okay, sorry, I think I have to give this response. So deep response. Okay, now let's copy it and let me paste it. So here is the response, guys, I got. Okay, so that's how, okay, you can use any kinds of model. Okay, whether it's LLaMA, Mistral, Whisper, Play AI, KW, okay, any model you can use. Got it. So guys, you can try with this this Grok Cloud. Okay, this is the free one, but there would be some limit actually at the end. So for this you have to upgrade their plan. Okay, but for the, let's experiment purpose, for the demo purpose, you can use this particular platform. And again, this is on amazing platform. Okay, if I talk about, because all the open source model are already hosted here. So yes guys, this was the demo of the inference model inference. I think you got it. Thank you guys for watching.